Welcome my people to AfrikaBibleTori. Una don land for the correct place where we dey break Bible gist wey don last from generation to generation into sweet pidgin tori. My name na Rebecca Oyibo. So for today's episode for AfrikaBibleTori, I wan yarn una the tori of Sodom and Gomorrah for Genesis chapter 18 and 19. My people, tori dey wey go make you open your mouth dey wonder how God dey do him thing so. Dis na the kind tori wey go make you sit down gidigba, ask yourself wetin really dey for God mind. God show himself as the Baba wey dey bless and the judge wey no dey take nonsense. First, he visit Abraham and Sarah, promise dem miracle pikin even though dem don old well well. As God waka go, him mind don dey vex for two towns, Sodom and Gomorrah, because the people for there dey do anyhow. But God no dey ever destroy without warning o. Na so he send him angels go check the matter, and na there the real drama begin. This story go teach us say God fit bless person wey dey faithful, but he no dey gree make bad things continue forever. Abeg, make we enter the tori proper. Open your mind as I go dey yarn the tori wey carry plenty sense inside. One day, God appeared to Abraham near Mama oak tree as he sit down for front of his house for one hot afternoon. Abraham look and he see three men dey waka come. Sharp, he run go meet them, bow down and greet them. My oga dem, abeg no waka pass my house. Make una rest small, drink water and chop food before una continue una journey. The men gree. Abraham rush go tell him wife Sarah, babe, abeg do quick bake bread, we get visitors. He run go keep better cow, give one of his servants make him cook am. When he done ready, Abraham served them under the tree. As them dey chop, one of them ask Abraham, where your wife Sarah? Abraham reply, she dey for inside house. The man talk, next year by this time, Sarah go born pikin. Sarah hear am for where she dey, and so she burst into laugh. Ha! Me wey don hold like this, my husband sef don hold. How pikin go take dey possible? Sarah don old well and she don pass the age to born pikin, as she don stop to see her period. One of them ask, why Sarah dey laugh? Anything dey too hard for God to do? Next year, e go happen. Fear catch Sarah. She lie say she no laugh, but God talk say, you laugh o. When the men stand up, wan go, dem come go where dem go fit see Sodom and Gomorrah well, and Abraham escort them. God come tell Abraham, I go tell you wetin dey my mind. Since Abraham go become great and mighty nation, and na through him I go bless everybody. I don choose am so that he go command him son and him pikin say make dem dey obey me, come do wetin good and correct. If dem obey me, I go do everything wey I promise am. Then God tell Abraham, the cry against Sodom and Gomorrah don too much and their sin too many. I must go there go see whether wetin I hear about them na true. But Abraham stay with Baba God. Abraham come ask God, you really wan destroy good people join bad people? What if correct people dey there wey dey fear you reach 50 for that town, Sodom? You go still scatter the place? God come say, if I see 50 good people, I no go destroy am. Then Abraham come say, Baba God, no vex say my own too much o. What if na 5 no make am reach 50? You go destroy the town because 5 no make am reach 50? Baba God answer, I no go destroy the town if I see 45 people for there wey dey fear me. Abraham come ask again, what if na 40? God answer, I no go destroy am because of that 40. Abraham come negotiate am down until he reach 10. God come say, if I see 10 good people, I no go destroy the town. After Baba God talk to Abraham finish, he come leave am. Then Abraham go in house. The reason why Abraham dey ask all this question na because him brother pikin Lot dey that town. That evening, 2 angels waka enter Sodom. Lot dey sit down for the town gate. As Lot see them, he quickly stand up, go meet them, bow down and greet them. He tell them, abeg, my oga dem, make una come my house come rest. Una fit baff, then tomorrow una fit continue una journey. But them say no. No worry, we go stay for street. Lot no gree o. He beg them well. So dem follow am go im house. He cook food for them, bake bread wey no get yeast. Dem chop. Before dem go sleep, all the men for Sodom, both young and old, surround Lot's house. Dem begin dey shout, "Lot, where the man wey come your house tonight? Bring them out, make we sleep with them." Lot comot go outside go meet them, come lock the door. He beg them say, "Abeg my brothers, make una no do this kind wicked thing. See, I get 2 daughters. Dem never know man before. Make I bring them come out for una. Una fit do wetin una like with them. But make una no touch these men because dem don come under my roof." The men vex, shout, "Shift comot for road, oga. Who you think say you be? You just come stay here as stranger, now you wan come judge us. We go deal with you pass them." Dem push Lot anyhow and wan break the door. But the angel stretch hand, drag Lot enter the house. Then dem lock the door. Dem come blind all the men wey dey outside the house, whether big or small. So dem tire and no fit find the door again. The angels tell Lot, quick, gather all your family, your pikin dem, your daughter's husband, everybody wey dey close to you for this town. Tell them make dem comot for here because we wan destroy this place. The cry of their wickedness don reach God, and God don send us to scatter the town. So Lot go meet the men wey marry im daughters. He tell them, make una quick comot for this town because God wan destroy am. But dem think say Lot dey joke. Early the next morning, the angels rush Lot. Quick carry your wife and your 2 daughters comot for here, or else una go die as punishment for the sin wey dey this town. Lot see the delay, but the angels hold Lot hand, him wife and him 2 daughters dem, drag them comot from Sodom because God don get mercy on them. As dem come carry them go outside of the town, one angel talk, "Run for your life, no look back or stop for anywhere for the valley. Run go the mountain make you no die." But Lot beg, "Abeg my Lord, you don show me kindness, you don save my life, but I no fit run that kind race go mountain. Something fit catch me for road and I go die. See that small town near here. Abeg, make I run go there. It's small, no be so. Make my life for dey safe." The angel say, "Okay, I go do wetin you talk. I no go destroy that small town. But hurry because I no go fit do anything until you reach there." Na so the town name come become Zoar, because Lot call am small town. Sun just dey come out when Lot and him family reach Zoar. Then God rain fire and stone wey get fire from heaven on Sodom and Gomorrah. He destroyed the towns, the valley, the people, the plant and everything wey dey there. But Lot's wife look back and she turned to pillar of salt. Early morning, Abraham waka go the place where he stand before God. As he look Sodom and Gomorrah side and the valley, he see smoke dey rise like smoke from firewood wey dey burn. So God remember Abraham and he saved Lot from the wahala wey happen to the town where Lot dey live. After Lot and him 2 daughters leave Zoar, dem go live for mountain because Lot dey fear Zoar people. Dem stay for one big hole for rock. One day, the first daughter tell her sister, "Come on, our papa don old and no man dey this place to marry us like the way e suppose be. Make we give papa wine make he drink, then we go sleep with am so we fit get pikin through am." That night, dem give their papa wine and the first daughter sleep with am. Lot no know when she lie down or when she get up. The next day, the first daughter tell her sister, "Last night I sleep with papa o. Make we give am wine again tonight so you two go fit sleep with am make we get pikin through am." That night, dem give Lot wine again and the second daughter sleep with am. Lot no know when she lie down or when she get up. So both daughters of Lot come carry belle for their papa. The first daughter come born boy wey she name Moab. Na him be the papa of Moabites. The second daughter born boy too, wey she name Ben-Hami. This na the end and the complete chapter. Till next time, una go hear from me again.